Goat farming involves raising and breeding domestic goats for various purposes, including meat, milk, fiber, such as cashmere and mohair, and skins. It has gained popularity due to its relatively low startup costs, high adaptability to different environments, and the growing demand for goat products worldwide. The economic potential of goat farming lies in the diverse range of products that can be derived from goats. Goat meat, also known as chivan, is a popular protein source in many cultures. Goat milk is highly nutritious and can be used to make cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. The fiber from certain goat breeds is used in the textile industry. With proper management, goat farming can yield substantial profits. Why goats? Goats are hardy animals that can thrive in various climates and terrains. They require less feed compared to larger livestock like cattle, and they reproduce quickly, ensuring a steady supply of animals for production. Additionally, goats have a high feed conversion efficiency, meaning they can turn feed into body weight or milk efficiently. 1. The type of goat breed. Here are some popular goat breeds. Boer. Known for their rapid growth and high meat yield, Boers are one of the most popular meat goat breeds. Kiko. Originating from New Zealand, Kikos are known for their hardiness and resistance to diseases. Saanen. A leading dairy goat breed, Saanens are known for their high milk production and gentle temperament. Nubian. Nubians are dual-purpose goats, valued for both their milk and meat production. Angora. These goats are primarily raised for their luxurious fiber, mohair. The breed characteristics are as follows. Boer. Rapid growth, excellent meat quality, high fertility rates. Kiko. Hardiness, high resistance to parasites, low maintenance. Saanen. High milk yield, easy to handle, good for commercial dairy farming. Nubian. High butterfat content in milk, good meat quality, distinctive long ears. Angora. High-quality mohair production requires specific grooming and care. The difference between local and imported breeds? Local breeds are well adapted to the local climate and conditions, often more resistant to local diseases. Imported breeds may offer higher productivity, but could require more intensive management and care to adapt to local conditions. 2. Setting up the farm. A well-designed farm layout is crucial for efficient goat farming. Key elements include housing. Provide adequate shelter to protect goats from harsh weather. Housing should be well ventilated and spacious. Feeding areas. Designated areas for feeding to prevent feed wastage and ensure all goats have access to food. Pastures. Rotational grazing systems to maintain pasture quality and prevent overgrazing. Equipment and supplies. Essential equipment includes feeding troughs. Durable and easy-to-clean troughs for feeding. Waterers. Automatic waterers to ensure a constant supply of clean water. Fencing. Secure fencing to keep goats safe and prevent them from wandering off. Shelter materials. Materials for building and maintaining shelters, such as roofing and bedding. Environmental considerations are as follows. Climate. Ensure the farm is in a climate suitable for goats. Provide additional heating or cooling if necessary. Soil quality. Good soil quality supports healthy pastures for grazing. Water availability. Access to clean water sources is essential for drinking and maintaining hygiene. 3. Proper nutrition in feeding goats require a balanced diet to grow and produce optimally. Key nutrients include protein, essential for growth and milk production. Carbohydrates, provide energy for daily activities. Vitamins and minerals, important for overall health and disease resistance. Types of feed are as follows. Pasture, fresh grass and legumes provide natural nutrition. Hay, a reliable source of fiber and nutrients, especially during dry seasons. Concentrates, high-energy feeds such as grains to supplement their diet. Supplements, mineral blocks or pellets to ensure goats receive all necessary nutrients. Feeding schedule for goats. Kids should be fed colostrum within the first few hours of birth, followed by milk or milk replacer. Adults, 2 main meals a day with access to grazing or hay throughout the day. Pregnant does. Increased nutritional needs, especially in the later stages of pregnancy. 4. Health management. Common goat diseases are as follows. Foot rot, a bacterial infection causing lameness. Mastitis, inflammation of the udder, affecting milk production. Parasites, internal and external parasites can cause severe health issues. Here are some preventive measures to be taken. Vaccination, regular vaccination schedule to prevent common diseases. Sanitation, keep housing and feeding areas clean to prevent the spread of infections. Regular checkups, routine health checks to catch and treat illnesses early. Treatment and care are as follows. Foot rot, clean and disinfect affected areas. Use antibiotics if necessary. Mastitis. Administer appropriate antibiotics and ensure proper milking hygiene. Parasites. Use dewormers and maintain clean living conditions. 5. Breeding and reproduction. Breeding methods are as follows. Natural breeding. Allowing goats to mate naturally. Artificial insemination. Controlled breeding using collected semen. This is how to select breeding stock. Health. Choose healthy, disease-free animals. Productivity. Select goats with high milk or meat production traits. Temperament, docile, and manageable animals are easier to handle. How to care for pregnant goats. Nutrition. Provide a nutrient-rich diet to support fetal development. Housing. Ensure comfortable and safe housing for pregnant does. Monitoring. Regularly check for signs of distress or complications. 6. Marketing and sales. Market research tips are as follows. Identify buyers. Research potential buyers, including local markets, restaurants, and dairy processors. Market trends. Stay informed about market demands and price trends. Marketing strategies that can be implemented are branding. Develop a strong brand identity for your goat products. Advertising. Use social media, local advertisements, and word of mouth to promote your products. Quality assurance. Ensure high-quality products to build customer trust and loyalty. Sales channels are as follows. Local markets. Sell directly to consumers at farmers markets or local shops. Online platforms. Use e-commerce platforms to reach a broader audience. Direct to consumer. Offer subscription services for regular deliveries of milk or meat. 7. Financial management, budgeting, and cost analysis are as follows. Startup costs. Initial investment for purchasing goats, equipment, and setting up the farm. Operational costs. Ongoing expenses such as feed, healthcare, and labor. Profit margins. Calculate profit margins to ensure sustainability. Here are few revenue streams. Meat sales. Selling goat meat to local markets or restaurants. Dairy products. Producing and selling milk, cheese, and yogurt. Breeding stock. Selling healthy breeding animals to other farmers. Fiber sales. Selling mohair or cashmere from fiber goats. Here are few tips for financial planning. Investment. Reinvest profits into farm expansion and improvement. Loans and grants. Explore financing options such as agricultural loans or grants. Insurance. Protect your investment with livestock and farm insurance. Conclusion. Here is a recap of key points. Selecting the right breed. Importance of choosing the right goat breed for your farm. Setting up the farm. Essential infrastructure and environmental considerations. Proper nutrition and feeding. Ensuring goats receive a balanced diet. Health management. Preventive measures and treatment of common diseases. Breeding and reproduction. Best practices for breeding and caring for pregnant goats. Marketing and sales. Effective strategies for promoting and selling goat products. Financial management. Budgeting, revenue streams, and long-term financial planning. Future prospects. Goat farming has significant potential for sustainable income, especially as the demand for goat products continues to rise. With proper management and a focus on quality, goat farmers can achieve substantial profits and contribute to the agricultural economy. Call to action. If you're considering venturing into goat farming, now is the time to take the first step. With the right knowledge and resources, you can build a successful and profitable goat farming business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy farming!